MeghalayaPost.news.
Canal East Zone Cultural Center NEZCC di Mapur bat ka South Central Zone Cultural Center SCZCC ki baturi kam hapo ka Ministry of Culture Government of India Haka Jingshad lang bat ka Ribhoi College nongpoh lem bat ka North East Integration Rally bat ka KRC Foundation kila penlong ya ka program Bharat ko Jano and Border Area Program and Madhya Dakshini Festival ya ka bala penlong Ribhoi College nongpoh kini ka festival ka deshi bentan jong ka jingtemu ban kantiu ya ka jingateli kari bat ban penyaso ya ki culture Bapher Bapher jong kari India ka jingalang kalalong rukum kerensan bat pen ipai ba ya kiriti dustur ki Jingshad Tynrai bat ki Jingshad Tynrai jong ki Jylla Bapher Bapher kali ka program kalalong rukum kalat ban pen i ya ka jingrus pa ki culture bat ka jing pen klan ya ka jinga daya pedang ki pai ba ki basa hakitan kapur ya ka ka program lawan ban sakilang da Assistant Commissioner ka Ribhoi District ka Imarang kum ka Kongsan haka jingdon lang Dr. Prashna Gogoi Director NEZCC di Mapur Oliver T. Pingen Deputy Director NEZCC lambat kiwei haka ni ka program ki pai ba ki layo ban saki Ïaki Jingshad bat Jingshad Tynrai balawan ra ki kinhun na ki Jylla kum ka Telangana Karnataka Maharashtra Madhya Pradesh bat Chhattisgarh ngalor kata ka kinhun rai bat Jingshad Tynrai na Ribhoi College ru kalayo ban shim benta hakani ka festival dak ba pni pat ba ya ki riti dustur bat ki Jingshad Tynrai jong ka Jylla Meghalaya kinong pnia kilong bakum kini ki program kilong ki bedon kam baha ban kantiu ka jingateli kari bat ban pensulur ki samla ban tip bat buram ya ki culture Bapher la kermen ru bah ki singi banwan ondang penlong susu ya kum kini ki program ban penklan ya ka jingateli bat ka jinga dai pedang ki Jylla jong kari.
Events like these are very special because they bring people of different culture together. And when people from different parts of the region share the same stage, it reminds us of a very important thing, that our diversity is not something that divides us, but rather it is something that strengthens us. Today we have various artists from the South Central region and also some local artists of Meghalaya, of Ribhoi College, sharing the same stage. When we share our culture with one another, we not only learn from one another, but we learn to inspire and we learn to grow closer as a nation. And to the students present here today, this program is especially meaningful for you because when you are exposed to different cultures, it not only broadens your perspective, but it also keeps you open-minded and it instills in you a spirit of respect that for people who come from very different backgrounds. And in today's world, integration is not only about geography, but it is about understanding. When you interact with people from different parts of the country, from another culture, from another language, you are strengthening the unity of the nation in the most practical way. And I would also like to congratulate the organizers for bringing this initiative in Ribhoi and also for creating a platform where culture can act as a bridge which connects different parts of the country. And I would also like to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation for the various artists of the South Central region who I'm sure must be very exhausted and tired considering the distance that they had to travel. But
MeghalayaPost.news.